Hello, young explorers! Today, we're embarking on a feathery adventure to learn about two fascinating water birds, flamingos and pelicans. Are you ready to flap your wings and dive into their colorful world? Let's begin our journey. First, let's wade into the world of flamingos. Flamingos are famous for their bright pink feathers and long, stilt-like legs. They love to live in shallow waters like lagoons and lakes. Flamingos are known for their unique way of feeding. They use their curved beaks to filter small plants and creatures from the water. And have you ever seen them standing on one leg? It's a way to conserve energy and keep warm. Flamingos are very social birds. They live in large groups called colonies. When it's time to mate, they perform a special dance to attract a partner. How fun is that? Now, let's soar over to the pelicans. Pelicans are large birds known for their long beaks and a large throat pouch. They live near oceans, rivers, and lakes. Pelicans are great at fishing. They use their big pouches to scoop up fish from the water. Some pelicans even dive from the air to catch their meal. They work together in groups to herd fish into shallow water, making them easier to catch. Pelicans also live in groups and build their nests on the ground or in trees near water. They take good care of their young, feeding them with fish from their pouches. So, how are flamingos and pelicans different? Flamingos have long legs and filter feed in shallow waters, while pelicans have large pouches for scooping fish and often dive to catch their prey. Both are amazing water birds with their own special ways of living. What an exciting exploration learning about flamingos and pelicans. These birds show us the incredible diversity of life near the water. Thanks for joining us on this feathery adventure. Keep exploring, stay curious, and we'll see you next time for more amazing discoveries in the world of birds.